the way to developing, this deeper awareness, which is a very profound awareness that we are now talking about.
Yep.
A first step from a more closed down, hardened activism can be compassion, where you do see the other not as an enemy, but you see them as a temporary adversary, and you don't see that they are bad, but that maybe some of their actions are limited.
Yeah.
And that's already a huge step forward in a world that is so polarized, where people get so self-righteous in being me good, you bad.
Yeah. Morals get in the way of truth.
Say more about that.
Good and evil have been your directives for your behavior. And you feel that good and evil are their mind games, their mind activity to differentiate things.
Right, so there is a deeper place in us from which to know what to do.
Our soul, see, that's me. Because a spiritual path for me is bhakti, ego to soul. And you start at ego, and you start and here, goal here. This is in the middle of your chest. Is going to be the entry to that soul place. And you start from here and say, I am loving awareness. I am loving awareness. And you stick your finger in your middle of your chest. I am loving awareness. 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 And when this is done, it doesn't, if somebody on the street says, who are you? You say whatever your name is, John and Marie, something like that. But you know that you're loving awareness, loving awareness, loving awareness. And from that point, your perception of the world as loving awareness. I am aware of the world, and I love it. I just love, I love it. I love it. I love the walls. I love the trees. I love you. I love me. I love my wheelchair. I love my stroke. I love it because it's all manifestation.
Because we are love.
Because we are, yeah, you are right. You are right.
When we go deep enough, we realize
that's what
it's not I'm loving my wheelchair, it's I am love.
Yeah. Well, this is individual soul. That's I see love. And then as they go deep enough to the next plane of consciousness, they be love. They see love, then they be love. My guru is be love. And I will see love, but be, and I get there.
Right.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Absolutely right.
So much love right now here.
Yeah.
On our website globalleadership.tv you will find additional footage, other dialogues with innovation leaders from around the world, and also the hands-on practices that help them and their organizations to move from inspiration to real change.